Hey guys, it's Jen from beautyriotx, and today we're doing a little indie beauty haul, and I thought this was really fun because it's a brand that I've not heard of before until I was watching Teresa's I think it was like one of her eyeshadow, either collection. I don't think it was a declutter video because I don't think she got rid of this, but she pulled this palette out and she didn't use it, but she pulled it out and it was just very pretty and something about it just drew my eye. So I started looking on like their Instagram and their stuff looked really interesting and just reminded me of Kimchi, that brand. Just very affordable. And the people using it seem to get really good results with this stuff. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna give it a try, and they were having like a 40% off sale going on for Mother's Day. I don't know if it's still going on, but usually they'll have like 20% off or something. So I decided to order a few things, and I left I'm not doing a full face of makeup, but I'm gonna swatch stuff, but I left like my cheeks bare and stuff because I have some things I wanted to put on today. So let's get into it. Again, this is Moira. I don't know if it's Moira Cosmetics, Moira Beauty. I'll write it on the screen, and I'll list their Moira Beauty, okay. Their website below. It's not an affiliate, they don't know who I am. They do offer like pro discounts and stuff too though if you're a makeup artist or something to that effect. So the first things that I want to try are the Lucent cream shadows. I have two. I have the shade Cosmos and Infinity Duochrome. And I was gonna like unbox it for you guys, but I wanted to like wipe everything down before I got into the video. So we're gonna go in and swatch it. So you guys can't see well, maybe you can. Before I took it out of the package, it almost looked black. I was like, oh no, did I get the wrong shade? Ooh. Ooh. At first I was like, oh no, is it just like a powder that looks, that's real nice. And it does definitely feel like a cream. More creamy than I thought it was going to. It feels slightly creamier than the ColourPop shadows. I'll write on the screen how much everything was. And this one is Infinity, which is like this gorgeous like white gold shade. I don't know what kind of undertone it had. Oh, it's just white gold, but it's gorgeous. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh my God. This has that kind of finish that the JD Glow shadows had. Oh, I want more. Oh, I'm so excited. That's beautiful. Oh, I'm tempted to try it. Should I try it? I'm gonna try it at the end if there's nothing else I want to try on my eyes. Maybe I'll try both. I don't know. I love when we start off well. Okay, these I was super duper excited about. These are the blush duo palettes. I have 3 of them and they come with like 2 sides and they come in like sleeves. I think these are so cute. Oh, I don't even want to throw the sleeves away because they're just beautiful. I love that they were really affordable even though the packaging is just adorable and it's not cheap feeling like. Okay, so the first one is Sweet Teas. It's a really nice kind of nude peachy shade, I guess. And one side is light and the other is deep. Yeah, let's give them a swatch. Oh, wow, they feel really nice. And I mean, you get a ton in here. There's, how much is in here? There's 7.5 grams in here. Wow. Ooh, this is beautiful. Now obviously this one is very light. I'm not wearing blush or anything today because I wanted to try some of these. Now the lighter side does have a little bit of like a very, very faint kind of sparkle to it, but nothing that's gonna look like it's not shimmer or anything. And these look like they'll be very, like they're not crazy pigmented, which you don't really want in a blush anyway. So, okay, there's them. There's oh my God, I'm so excited. This is the one that like drew my eye to the point where I wanna be sick. I don't know how you would ever get away with these as a blush, but I'm so in love with this color story. I needed it. I needed it. This is in Sunflower Beauty. I mean, could you just die a million deaths? This is so beautiful. It's like a melon and yellow shade, so obviously a yellow wouldn't make a blush, but I mean NYX has that yellow blush, but I'm assuming you would like mix them together, so let's do that. Okay, see, that's like my orange kind of blush. Okay. Oh, but see, I ruined it. I hate how I ruined that perfect line right there, but oh my God. There was a really pretty, like, it seemed like a bronzer kind of duo, but they were out of stock, so I didn't get it. Okay, this next one is Cheeky Romance. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I wish I could use like one on each cheek, which I mean, I totally could, but oh, that's really pretty too. I mean, definitely might be too light for me, but oh, it's really pretty. I almost feel like I might be able to get away with it. I really want to try this. I might actually just try these two today, Sweet Teas and Cheeky Romance. And I think I'm just gonna mix both of them together. Oh, see, that's beautiful. That's definitely showing up. It's not too light at all. And this one I might have to be a little more careful with. Definitely more like pinky nude. And then this is a bit more peach, but they're both beautiful. This one, I mean, I'm just gonna save for Get Ready With Me, but I'm really excited to try this. And I mean, obviously I'll have to mix this together with each other, but the next is the Glow Me Soft Highlighting Palette. It's like this. And it is a foursome, a quad. What? Okay, so it has Whisper, Intimate, Caress, and Flirt. This color scheme reminds me of the Anastasia, one of the Anastasia palettes. Dip in and ooh. Nothing I have felt has felt bad, has felt dry, has felt not good. Stop. Okay, clearly I need to use one of these, and it looks like the only one I won't be able to get away with, like, as a highlighter, and that's even iffy, is maybe this one, but if I use a brush, I still might be able to get away with it, and it's right here. It's usually these two I wouldn't be able to work with, and it would be like two of them, but oh, I'll use them as eyeshadows, but I might actually be able to use all of these. I'm so excited. I'm gonna hold off because I have a big palette at the end that I think might actually have highlighters in it too, so hold on. The next is the Dreamscape Dream Series palette. There was a bunch of these to choose, not a bunch, but like 2 or 3 I think to choose from, and this one I feel like called to me. Or maybe there was one out of stock, I don't remember. All matte, maybe that's why. We have some neons, we have some like deep bolds. I have a bunch of mofos, so let's see, let's swatch a few. All right, I mean, I'll swatch more than this, but the swatches are okay. Not insanely impressive, but I mean, sometimes swatches aren't always, but not bad. Now, so yeah, I'm excited about this. And now we have a big palette. I think this is like an eye and face palette. This is the Meant to Be Destiny Eye and Face palette. Oh no. I mean, it looks good, but these highlighters look way too dark. Like, I'll never get away with this. But this is a very neutral. I feel like in the pictures, I feel like they might have looked lighter. This looks like taupe, and this is like bronze. But these look insane. So we're gonna swatch a few, and the first swatches will be like of this side over here, the face stuff. And they all feel really nice, but these highlighters I'll never get away with. That last blush, like the one at, well, the top for you, but the bottom for me, is almost like a duochrome highlighter, like up close. It's weird. It has like a slightly purpley shift, but this blush is gorgeous. I feel like these highlighters would probably suit like deeper skin tones. I'll never be able to get away with that like on my actual face, but the blushes are gorgeous. Let's swatch a few of the eyeshadows from. This is definitely a less exciting looking palette, but I'm still excited to try it. Oh, I used for my eyes today, the Mega Revolution Revo Pooches palette. This might be one of the best quality eyeshadow palettes I've ever tried from Mega Revolution, and I've had some shit palettes from them. That was $7.50 at Ulta. I don't know if it was like their sale price or whatever, but wow, really, really good. All right, so there's a few of the mattes, and I will try a few of the metallics now. Whoa. Man, these people know what they're doing with these metallics, jeez. I guess I don't need any highlighters over on the side because I could definitely use at least one of them actually from the actual palette. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. These are magic. I'm gonna try some of that other blush that I loved. I'm just gonna try it. The sunflower one. I'm gonna try it. Oh. Mm-hmm. Okay. I love them all. I love them all. I think I'm the least excited about this just because it's very like nude and kind of on the boring side, but I'm still excited to play with it. Let's put some of these on. Let's do it. And then we'll try these in the eyes, I think. All right, we're gonna go in with this one first. And I think I'm gonna go in and mix these two together, these two end ones. Really pretty. I can't believe these eyeshadows. Wow. All right, let's put some of these on the eye and see if they translate well. I'm not gonna put any base down. We're just gonna see how they work on their own. Because they're a cream, I feel like you can get away without using, you should be able to get away without using a base. Uh-huh, yep, no base. You don't need a base. It's working beautifully. Just hope I don't make a huge mess. Stop. All right, I'm gonna go in with this. I need more of these now. My life is complete. Okay, this is the part where it's going to get messy because I have a big fat fingers that I can't fit over here. This doesn't actually feel like cream though. Like this legit feels like cream. This just feels like a slightly creamy-ish powder. I can't describe this one, but that could not have been easier. We need to stop. I can't take how gorgeous these little things are. This was Cosmos, this was Infinity. So I will link the store link to this shop below for you. I know they usually do 20, or I don't know. I'm pretty sure they usually do like 15 to 20% off regardless. They're really affordable either way though. So let me know if you've ever tried anything from this brand. And stay tuned because I will use the shadow palettes and more of this stuff in videos to come. So that was it. Thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.